Okay, this video is called replacing your garbage disposal. This is one I tore out. This is one I just tore out. It's a third of a horsepower one. See it right there? These the half and a half horsepower ones. It's an incinerator. Fail. They fail consistently. So I got Monster here helping me. See, there's Monster. He wants to help. If you notice one thing, this one's wired right. It's got the cord on it right here. It's wired right. These don't last very long. This is called a means to disconnect. This is how the correct way to wire the garbage disposal. So you can just disconnect it. This one failed. Water was leaking through it. If you notice on the bottom, here's a reset button. There's a tool that fits in right there to turn it in case it gets jammed up. This one was leaking water through it when you push it through. I put these in the half horsepower ones and the third horsepower ones, a rental unit. They only last about a couple years. So the other ones, I'm going to show you the one underneath my sink. The other thing about these, I always wire these with a pneumatic switch, where there'll just be a push button. It goes into a simplex outlet. So I use a pneumatic switch on these when I rewire them. And the other thing, in the code now, they want an air chamber between the dishwasher and the garbage disposal. So the dishwasher drains in the air chamber, and then it goes in the garbage disposal to keep it from backflowing and flooding your house. So mine's overflowed sometimes by letting my sink run. So it'll actually drain through. So that's what the air chamber does. And that's a code requirement. Here's the one under here. This is what I recommend. This dishwasher, you can't see it. This one, well, what I've been putting in, you can't even see it because it's too dark on here. However, what I've been putting in is the incinerator 3/4 horsepower ones. I don't know where this one came. This one's over 22 years old. So you can't really see it very good, but I've been putting in the 3/4 horsepower ones for people. They're about $150. These old ones, they're like, they're $100. The half horsepower ones. You're better off. Sometimes you'll get them on sale, maybe for $120. But I recommend buying a 3/4 horsepower one. These don't last very long, so that's what you need to do. And make sure you got a cord on it like this. That's the best way. Get a pneumatic switch for it, So when you're roughing these in, it should have just a simplex outlet, and you can just use a pneumatic switch. And it should have an air chamber in it too. If it's new construction, it should definitely have an air chamber. That's about it.